Thank you for the suggestion. Welcome guys. Today we are going to see how to install PHP in Windows. Search for windows.php.net in your browser. Link available below. Click Downloads. Two versions were available as non-thread safe and thread safe. Here we will download the thread safe one. Here you can see the file size. Now let's create a new folder. Copy all the contents in the zip folder to the new folder. Search for php development file. Copy and paste it, and rename the file to php.ini. Open the renamed file in Notepad. Search for the extension directory in the Notepad. In the extension directory, set the location to PHP extension. Remove the semicolon to uncommented settings. Now if you scroll down you will find more extensions. Yes, these are the extensions. Here you want to uncomment certain extension. No worries, see the description which extensions are to be uncommented. After finishing, just save it. Now we need to add the path to the environmental variable. In system variable, edit the location of the path and click new. In command prompt you can check whether the PHP is installed or not. Just run php-v. If your screen shows the version and its copyrights, then confirm that PHP has been installed in your server.